Okay, so now let's see the installation process. Installation process actually, so you can just go to the website and start downloading MySQL. So that is the direct way of getting that. Here you can go to the MySQL and then go to the MySQL downloads. And from that you can select the operating system, right here. So MySQL download. And there are different versions, right? Enterprise edition, clusters, these editions are there, but don't download that. Don't download these things. So download community version, right? MySQL community, right? Community edition. So please download that. MySQL community edition, because that is the free one. The other one, so MySQL just general edition, it's not free. The general one is now it's like commercial. So you can just get this MySQL community edition, but still I'm not recommending this as well. Make a tone, because you have some other technologies in your syllabus. So such as PHP, server and client side scripting using JavaScript, CSS handling, and web hosting. Those things are also there. So you can do something like this. You can download, right? You can download a bundle version. Bundle version can software set එකක් තියෙනවා. හරි? Right? So you can download this one. So I recommend you to download XAMPP, because XAMPP has, right? XAMPP is a free and open source. It is free, open source. It has MySQL or MariaDB database, which you can write MySQL. MariaDB database also, you can write MySQL, that doesn't matter. And you can go and download this. The advantage of this is it's giving you PHP and Apache Web Server, PHP and MySQL database management system, all three. So this is like a bundle solution is very good, because then you can write MySQL. When we do PHP, you can write PHP codes. When we want to web host, you can use Apache Web Server for web hosting. When you want to write HTML, you can still write HTML and host it there. So all these facilities will be there. So my recommendation is please go to apachefriends.org and download this open source bundle. So here's the link. So other ways are there, right? You can directly download MySQL, that facility, that those are also there, but don't do that. So just go to this and download Apache web server. So this one, this is the best version. So because when you download Apache web server, then easily, right? Easily you can write codes in MySQL, right? Okay, shall we download it now? Or if you have data issues, we can postpone it. But my recommendation is if you can download and install now, would be better, right? You download and install, because it's only 155 megabytes. It's only 155 megabytes for Windows. If you're using Linux, you can download the second one. If you're using Mac OS, you can download the third one. So I think you are using Windows, so you can download the first one. So no, this any version is okay, right? You can either get this PHP 7 or PHP 8. So that doesn't matter. So PHP 7 is also okay. So you can download this one. Right. So are you downloading, or will it take more time? Right. If you are downloading, I'll show you more additional steps. After downloading, you can enable the service. You can run the SAMP. Okay. Started downloading. Good. Right. If you after downloading, you can run the SAMP. So here I don't have in my one. So after downloading SAMP, you can install, and after that, you can just start the service that you can done using the command line, or you can use the command prompt. If anyone already downloaded that, you can share the screen. I'll give you the chance. So let's queue, because rather than me doing in Mac OS, I think we can demonstrate in Windows operating system. Can anyone share the screen who have already downloaded? So if you can share the screen, then I can help you doing this easily, because then you see the Windows environment. Kawari command. So I have enabled screen sharing. Please do that. If you can support, it would be better. Otherwise, I have to wait till you download. I can show this in my computer, but it's a little bit different in Windows computer. That's why I'm asking you to share. Netuli, can you share? Netuli, can you share? Okay, if not, Situm, can you share? She's not ready. Situm, can you share?
So I'm doing Zoom on my phone.
You're in Zoom phone.
Yes.
Anyone else? Anyone else? Shimla? Or Sitmi? Sitmi? Can you? Sitmi? No one is interested in sharing. Then I can share my screen again, right? But then it's different from your one, right? It's different from your one. That's why I'm asking you to share. So, okay, Shimla is also using phone. Sitmi, are you using phone or are you using laptop? Sitmi?
Laptop, sir.
Can we share? Can you share? I didn't understand. Hello? Sitmi, share karana. Okay. Correct. You have downloaded and installed everything. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. So now when you download, you will get this kind of string, XAMPP. And then you have to start these services. Please note. No need to start all the services. Apache is for web hosting, but you don't need that now. For the moment, you can stop that if you want, because that is not needed. But this one is needed. MySQL is needed. MySQL service is needed. You will get this kind of control panel after installing, and you can enable MySQL service. Okay, let me show how to log in to MySQL now. All right, can you open the command line? Sitmi, can you open the command line? Please open the command line after installing. And then please note, these are very important commands. Then you have to actually visit the MySQL folder. So let's see, first let's see where the installation location. Can you go to the Explorer? Keep that as it is. Please go to the Explorer. I want to show you the location of the installation folder, installation directory. And please go inside C drive here. Yeah, double click on that, and then you can see SAMP folder. Yes, double click on that and go to the SAMP folder. Yes, there you can see MySQL folder. MySQL folder. Yes, go inside that, and there you can see the binary folder, that is bin. Double click on that and open that, and then inside the bin folder, so please note the path, right? That is C XAMPP MySQL bin. C XAMPP MySQL bin. Please scroll down a little. Please scroll down a little, and when you scroll down, you can see mysql.exe here. This one. This is the application that I want to open. Button, don't double click. Right? Don't double click. Instead of that, you can go to the location. Please go to the command prompt again. Now we are going to access this location, right? And please type cd double dot 2 times. Cd double dot 2 times to go back to the yes, enter, and cd double dot again. And now you are inside C drive. Now you have to go to the SAMP folder. To do that, cd, you have to go to SAMP folder, and you can you can give the full path. cd, please put space, then SAMP pp, then slash, forward slash, then SAMP MySQL, again forward slash bin. you can access the full part. Okay, press enter and now you are inside the bin folder. So this is how you are accessing the bin folder. Then you have to give the login command. To do that, you have to type MySQL. So please note this command. This is the login command to the MySQL DBMS, MySQL -u space root -p. Right? You can see in the screen MySQL space -u space root space -p. Can you type that command? MySQL space -u user -u is root space -p, then give the password. Password is blank. No password, right? Don't type blank. Erase it and press enter. No password is there. Then okay, now you are inside the MySQL DBMS. This is how you log in into the MySQL database management system. This is how you log in into MySQL database management system. Then you can see what are the tables inside that. To do that, you can tell show tables. Next day, if possible, all of you use your laptops and come if you have, or if you have computer, please join with that. And if you are using mobile phone, my recommendation is I'll give another way of typing the commands. You have to create a hosting account, and there you have to log into the MySQL server and type the commands. I'll show that step also. Sorry, please type show databases first. Show databases. So then you can see all the databases. Semicolon is needed, right? To finish that, again type semicolon. Type semicolon. Semicolon type karan, and that is how you finish the command or press enter, and you can see all the databases available in the DBMS. Information schema, MySQL, performance schema, PHP MyAdmin, and test. Right. If you want to create a database, you have to type another command, create database, database name. Create database, let's say DB school. So if you type like this, it will create a database called DB school. Shall we type that command also? That's why I asked you to share the screen, then I can keep typing commands quickly and quickly. And semicolon. And now you can again show the databases. Show databases again. Now you can see the new database that you have created. Please type show databases command again. Show databases command again. Okay, I'll give this show space databases today. Show space databases. So please, when you're writing commands, you have to type the exactly same command, and then the semicolon, and you can see now DB school is there. That is the recent database that you have created. It's here. DB school, it's here. That is the database that we have recently created. Okay, so let's write these commands now. Others can also write this, and I'll show you another method of doing this, another way of doing this. That is by, you can just log into this one. Okay, can you see my screen again? Right, those who are using mobile phones, so you will not be able to type this SQL. So I'll give you a solution. Solution. So you can log into this. So we have already created the database cPanel login. You can, if you have not created, you can go to zerofees.net and create an account there. So if you have not created, right? If you have already created, no need to do. If you have not created, you can go to this zerofees.us website and start creating an account. In zerofees.us account website, you can go to the sign up now link, and then you can create a new one. Let's say level ICT Shimla, something like that. You can give the name, and you can give any preferred password, and you can confirm the password, and you can then the email address. I'm just giving fake details, shimla@gmail.com. Just giving some fake details. I'm not going to create. Then personal, and then English. Then type this code 039 here, whatever the code here, 0395D, and you are done. 0395D, and you are done. Please do register, and you can create account there. Right? Then you can create account there. So after creating account, it will they will send you a confirmation email. After creating this account, they will send you a confirmation email. So this is what it looks like. Here you can see. This is the confirmation email. Then you have to click. Right? So actually you should have like, if you don't have visitors, it will be removed, right? That is a notification. So you should actually maintain this website. If you have visitors, it will be kept. Visitors නැත්තම් තමයි remove කරන්න. So yeah, that's why the free account, they will not keep forever. So if you want to keep it forever, you have to keep visiting the website. Otherwise they will remove that. Anyway, you have to confirm, right? But if you want to reactivate, you can click the link and confirm. I'm confirming. Okay. You cannot reactivate. So it's already, I think, delayed. Anyway, I'm trying to log into account. Let's try to log in. I'm not sure whether it's deactivated. If not, I can log in this. Okay. It seems it's deactivated, right? It's not allowing. Oh, is it working? Yeah, it seems it's working. So, okay, this is another way of doing that. Second method. You can create an account there. Then you will get an email. That email will come to your spam folder, right? Here the spam folder නෑ කියන්නේ මේපා. මේ පල්ලයට කියමු spam කියලා folder එකක්. ඒ spam folder එකට තමයි ඉන්නේ මෙන්න මේක. zero fees එක. ඒකට ගිහිල්ලා ඒක activate කරන්න. activate කරාම එයාලා දෙනවා username එකක් සහ password එකක්. They will provide a username and password. Then you can log into this. And there you can see MySQL databases. That is the second option. There you can see MySQL databases. When you go there, MySQL databases, you can create a database. It's DB school. I'm creating, I have already created DB school here, right? So let's create like DB school to create database. Now the database is done, right? I can create 400 databases. That's a big amount. That's good, free account. And then DB school 2, then I can go to admin here. I can see admin. When I go admin, I'll get this kind of interface to create a table. And also I can write SQL. SQL, like I can write, okay, show tables. If I want to see the tables, I can write show tables, then go. Okay, empty set, because I have no tables. I have not created tables, right? So, but anyway, I have database, right? Show databases or type because you are already inside the database. Here in this SQL, you can write SQL. In mobile phone also, you can do that. In the mobile, discourage mobile phone mobile phone code type please create account, then type the code in mobile phone. So that is also okay. Right? Okay, so I think you know the second method now. If you miss the first method, try for the second method. Anyway, using either way, you can log into the database management system. Next week, be ready. Either using mobile phone, either using laptop. At least go, if you are using a mobile phone, go to this place, go to login and cPanel, and then go to the admin. Here you can write it. The advantage is this database is globally you can use, because this is online, this is in internet. So you can log in from any location in the world and start typing queries. That is advantage. But the local database, which we logged in, is just in our computer. Okay, how to log in? So I'm going to start my MySQL service. So this is how it's done in the Mac OS. I have to start the service. Now you can see success, service started. Okay, then I have to log into the server, similar to Windows, MySQL, MySQL, -u is root, and -p is empty. Here I am inside the databases, show databases inside the DBMS, show databases will show me the databases available. If I want to create database, same, create database DB school 2, it will create a database called DB school 2. Again, show databases. Now DB school 2 is there. If I want to use that database, use DB school 2. So see how easy that is. DB school 2, certainly DB school 2, and now I'm inside the database, show tables, empty set because nothing is there. If I want to create a table, I can write create table TBL student. So having student ID integer 4, and that is primary key. I'll explain these things, and it is not null. And I have to create the first name of variable character, so you can give any value, number of characters, and then the middle name. You can give the number of. I'll explain this. Don't worry. 30, comma, and last name. Let's say last name Vacha mama denna characters 40ක් විතර උපරිම telephone number int 9නේ තියෙන්නේ telephone number digit බිංදුව ඇරෙනකොට I'm giving 9 digits, and then address එක නම් දිගයි ගොඩක් අයගේ හින්දා වාචා I'm going to give 100 characters, 450 characters. Okay, now I'm done with my table. I'm closing the table, finishing that, and it has created my table. So if I want to see the table, I can describe TBL student, and I can see this is my table. TBL student. Field names and details are there. And if I want to show all the tables, show tables, now I can see only one table here. That is this table, that which I have created. Okay. Too many things, no? Per day. Therefore, let's slow down. And now you can write down these things. TCL TCL is actually, so why TCL is there? Here you can see the TCL example. Also you can write down transaction control, and then write down these commands quickly. Please draw this for the transactions. Then please write these commands.